morning, everyone. Today I'm back with another collection obsession, and this will be layout 4 and the 6th page. So I have a link down below that shows everybody who's playing and their links to get to their YouTube channel. So I am going to be scrapbooking my second grand, and she's got her hair in a pretty gold bow, and here she got her nails done, and I can't tell if she's got like little white spots on them or if it's just the lights, because here it looks like reflection, so that probably is too. And then her dad made her Santa Claus pancakes. I was gonna say waffles, because I've been eating waffles. Not today, but that's been my thing. And then he's got scrambled eggs, and then the hat's made out of strawberries, so it's so cute. And so anyway, I'm gonna use this from the 6x8, and it kind of has a blue cast to it. It looks like a sweater and a blue cast to it, like this floral. And I've already cut the center out of one of these, and I'm going to use it as the background with a textured white paper on it. And it kind of almost has like a snowy look to it. I don't know if you can tell, but you know, by the time I'm done, I'll probably be mostly covered up. Okay, and I've already got little marks made here, because otherwise I figured I just wouldn't be able to make it to match. And anyway, it's not so bad now, but this one side where it was closed, yeah, it's kind of wrinkled there. So I'm going to put that down at the bottom because it will be covered up somewhat, because this is actually the back of the page. And this paper here, sometimes I have a hard time using such repetitious paper, but it's not as repetitious as some because of, you know, the different florals. But I thought it made a beautiful like frame around it. And so I'm just going to put this one here, and then I'll double check to make sure it's straight. Pretty close. Okay. I always love the sweater patterns, so that's a good way to use it, or getting to be able to use it. Okay, so I'm gonna take her, and I'm not matting anything, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these. And this one here, I'm just gonna put it with a little bit of a frame of the sweater on there. And again, I'm gonna check and make sure I got it straight. Yeah, pretty close there. Okay. It's so funny because when she was little, she had really fine super curly hair. Like, it just always looked all tangled. And her mom's was like that too, that hers was a little thicker and really curly. And her mom just kind of, she started, you know, straightening it and stuff, so hers doesn't get as curly anymore, but hers all of a sudden it thickened up and it just doesn't get as curly as what it used to. Okay, I'm concentrating so hard. Okay, where's my little pencil here? Because I gotta erase my pencil mark. Okay. And then I have, oh, and I totally messed it up already. This is supposed to be down below. I had them all different ways, so you can tell I Still don't know where it goes. Okay, I just tore that, but I'm just gonna tape it over it. Okay, so this is supposed to be down here. And I'm putting Santa Claus up there. So this is one of the 3x4 cards from the collection. And I love getting to use them because they're so pretty. And I'm putting this one right here. So there's my grid. Again, I'm doing a grid. How many grids have I done this month? I said I need to use them again because I really love them, and then I don't, and then I forget about it. So at least I'm getting some grid time in. Okay, and then I am going to do some clusters, and I debated whether I was doing 3 or 4, so I'm gonna end up with 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna tuck this in. I don't want to run into her head, so I'm gonna have a little bit more turn because of that bird. I want it to be upright. And then I have this little ornament, and I'm going to make it look like it's hanging in the wreath there. I'm just going to tuck it here to the left like it's just kind of hanging from the wreath. And then I have one of the buttons that's from Hobby Lobby that I showed in the collection. And I put some twine through there, and I'll tell you that was kind of difficult. And I see I got a little bit where it's not in the tie, so I'm going to just cut that off. And they already had the sticky on the back, and it really stuck, so I'm hoping it will do the same when I put it here. And I'm just going to tuck it down here like it's kind of in the floral area. And she's got, you know, her hair, her nails done. So it's like, I thought the button would be cute because it's kind of about all the little embellishments that she has going on. And then up here on this corner, oh, and sorry about my, every time the furnace starts, it has this high-pitched noise. And I know I hear it when I listen, when I check my video. Okay, and I'm gonna get it arranged here. And I want this poinsettia to look like it's turned correctly. So I think about there. And I'm not going to push it down too much yet because I'm going to use a couple of these cookies. And both of these were cut from the 6x8. And I'm going to stick one cookie there, and then one to the right of it. Okay. And then I have another little ornament. And I want it to look like it's dangling from here. I always kind of like the cluster with, you know, like at Christmas time to do like a little dangling thing off it. I always think that's cute. And then I have a little bird. and he's going to be flying away from this little cluster. Oh, and I got a little sticky area here. So I'm just going to put him like he's just taking off from, maybe he was nesting in there. And then I have my title. It's going to say Aesthetic Christmas, and that was her idea. So I'm going to pause to put this down because you know how I am. Okay, I've got the title put on, and the letters I used are from, let's see, it's from Hustle and Bustle, and I got them from Peachy Cheap, and I'm actually having a haul video right after this. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have that up next. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a cluster down here. I was gonna do just 3 clusters, but it just looks so empty over here. I just have to add something. Okay, and again, I'm trying to make sure that the poinsettia is going in the right direction. And it's gonna overlap the picture just a tiny bit. And I've got another cookie. And this time I'm going to plop it right on top of the floral cluster. And I've also got another bird. And I'm going to stick, there's just a little bit of pine branch here. So I'm going to stick it right on top of that pine branch. And I'll be putting, actually I think this one is sticking up enough. I think it needs a dimensional. And let's see if I can, I'm trying to use these square ones again. It's like that, the little thing, the little top does not want to come off as easy. The round ones came off super good. This one is just a little more difficult. And that's, I'll usually just take my tweezers and do that to stick them down. Okay, and then I have another ornament. And I want it to look like it's just kind of toppled. Maybe it's fallen out of this branch. And then I have a little holly. And I'm gonna have this probably about right here, I think. Because I've also got another one of these buttons, and I'm gonna stick it right down here. And again, I use that twine. Okay. And then I wanted to use gold, and I did not have enamel dots that looked like a close enough color. But I have these little, and what are they from? Do I have the little packaging from them? I don't know. I don't know if I do or not. I think this is it. Okay, it's from Jolie's, and it's all that bling. Ornaments. Oh, it says ornaments, adhesives. It's like some other language. Okay, so I'm going to use a few of these. Oh yeah, they're cute. Yeah, I like them. They look cute. They look like, this is what it looked like it needed, because I just didn't find any that looked like what I was looking for. And let's see, maybe a few around this. I have so many I could get carried away. Okay. I mean, it is Christmas. Don't we decorate everything? Okay, I'm blinging it up, that's for sure. Okay, yep, and I definitely have to have some over here. Okay, because otherwise they're every place but here. I must have got these at Tuesday morning or something, because I don't really, actually I don't remember buying them, so I'm not sure. There, I put a dent in those, didn't I? Okay, so I will have everybody's link down below, and I forgot to say it last time, so do go and check them out. And I actually got 6 pages done, so, and I've still got quite a bit of paper left and quite a bit of embellishments, because I have this one, and let me grab that, and I have the center of this that I kept from the other. So 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. So one of them is 3x4 cards, and this one is this here. This larger floral, which is this here. Oh, this floral is beautiful. I gotta tell you, this is a difficult one. I have used the gingham though. So I have these and the 3x4 cards, and I still have quite a few of the papers in the paper pad left too. So I'll be able to do some more layouts with this. So thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and remember to check out my haul video. It should be right after this, or you know, they're depending on what time you show up to look, they'll be there for at different times. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.